Right, 2.2, we've read the information here. We've discussed the frequency table. And then we've done question 2.1 where we found our cumulative frequencies. Right. Now, how many staff members were interviewed? How many staff members were interviewed? So there were 40. Okay. We just read from the last cumulative frequency. Okay, there were 40 because there were 5 that ranked between 0 and 2. There were 15 that ranked between 2 and 4. There were 13 here. There were 5 here. There were 2 there. So if you add all this, that will give you 40. So there were 40 staff members.